Hello everyone, and welcome to this video about the planet Mars. Mars has long fascinated humans, from ancient civilizations to modern-day scientists. In this video, we'll explore the history and information of Mars, from its discovery to our current understanding of the red planet. History. Mars has been known since ancient times. In fact, the planet is named after the Roman god of war because of its reddish color, which reminded the Romans of blood. Early civilizations, including the ancient Egyptians and Chinese, observed the planet and recorded its movements. However, it wasn't until the 17th century that telescopes were invented, allowing for closer observations of Mars. In the 19th century, astronomers began to map the planet and make observations of its features, such as its polar ice caps and dark regions. Exploration. Humans have been sending spacecraft to Mars since the 1960s. The first successful mission was the Mariner 4 in 1965, which provided the first close-up images of Mars. Since then, there have been numerous missions to Mars by various space agencies, including NASA and ESA. Some of the most notable missions include the Viking missions in the 1970s, which were the first to land on Mars and search for signs of life. In recent years, NASA's Mars rovers, such as Curiosity and Perseverance, have explored the planet's surface and collected data on its geology and atmosphere. Geology. Mars is a rocky planet, much like Earth, with a solid surface and a thin atmosphere. It has a diameter of about half that of Earth and is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars has a distinctive reddish color caused by iron oxide or rust on its surface. The planet also has several prominent geological features, including the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and the deepest canyon, Valles Marineris. Mars also has polar ice caps that are made up of both water and carbon dioxide. Mars also has polar ice caps that are made up of both water and carbon dioxide. Atmosphere. Mars has a thin atmosphere compared to Earth, with a pressure less than one of Earth's at sea level. The Martian atmosphere is primarily made up of carbon dioxide, with small amounts of nitrogen, argon, and oxygen. Because of its thin atmosphere, Mars experiences extreme temperature fluctuations, with temperatures ranging from -143°C to 35°. Possibility of life. One of the biggest questions surrounding Mars is whether it ever had or currently has the conditions necessary for life. Mars has evidence of liquid water in the past, which is a key ingredient for life as we know it. In addition, recent discoveries by NASA's Mars rovers have shown that the planet has the necessary chemicals and minerals to support life. However, there is no direct evidence of past or current life on Mars. Future missions. NASA and other space agencies are planning several upcoming missions to Mars. These missions will include the launch of the Mars Sample Return mission, which will collect and return rock samples from the planet's surface. In addition, there are plans to send humans to Mars in the coming decades, with NASA's Artemis program aiming to land the first woman and next man on the Moon by 2024 and eventually establish a sustainable human presence on Mars. Mars has been a subject of fascination and exploration for centuries. From its discovery by ancient civilizations to modern-day space missions, we have learned a great deal about the red planet. While there is still much we don't know, ongoing and future missions to Mars promise to unlock more secrets about this fascinating planet. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more space-related content.